Alright, y'all, we in Homegoods now. Y'all, we probably just gonna be looking at here. Yeah, I know Homegoods kind of expensive. I'm gonna start on the I'm gonna start right here. Let's look at their memory foam pillows and see how much they is. Got this little laundry basket here. See how much they memory foams. $29 for that. That's a pillow, regular pillow, I think. I don't see no memory foams in here, y'all. Towel steamer for $50. Just mirrors and stuff here. Window treatments over there. Oh, I thought y'all was looking. These is nice. They're $59.99. Like little end tables or something. Here's another one like it. That's round. $49.99 for this one. These is cute. Like there's some laundry stuff here. Yeah, we done came into the laundry section. $12.99 for this little box here. Open? Open. Dryer balls, $9.99. Have like little bamboo drawers and organizers. And what is this? Oh, it's a wine bottle organizer. That's neat. It's $12.99. This is $9.99 for this little bin here. Slides out. Cute little stuff for the doggies. $14.99 for that. It's $29.99 for this little box here. This one here, $16.99. Get a 12-pack of scrub pads here for $5.99. Now that's a better deal. Probably grab that there. 12-pack. This guy here. Scrub brush for $2.99. A bin liner, fridge. Oh, a fridge bin liner. How many this is? A 6-pack. Okay. Like what I be doing with my towels. I got this jar of dryer balls for $12.99. Not bad. You get the dryer balls and the jar. That's a good deal. I think I'm gonna get them. Reduces drying time. I think I'm gonna get them. While the music ain't playing, let's scan over this little area here, see what they got. They got little sponge holders and stuff and brushes and all that good stuff right there. But yeah, that's a good deal for that because look, you get the little brush, $9.99 for these too. Okay, moving right along. I found something. Probably the only thing that I may get. I was looking for something that I can put like the little sheets in, my dryer sheets. That's what I'm looking for. Little basket here, $6.99. That's cute. Dryer sheets can fit in there. They got this little cute little bin here. It can be used for the dryer sheets, $4.99. Got a lid on it. I got this one right here. $6.99 for this here too. Glass jar. Look at this one. This is so cute. I like that brown, that gold. $9.99 for that one though. Food storage jar. What's this one here? This one here, $6.99. If I can find a square one. That'd be nice if I can find a square one. That's cute. Glass canisters. $6.99 for a juice jar. Okay. I like that. See something like this but a little bit longer. $5.99 for this one. We're getting there. Something like this but a little shorter. I got the long ones here, but I don't want no long ones. So let me see what this one here is. Oh no, that's a pack of them. 4-pack, that's not bad for $4.99. Drawer organizer. They always got some cute little decor pieces. And they have those little cups. Got some cute little Valentines to my love. That's a cool deal, $5.99. They got their little Valentines, little stuff out, a little bit of it. The Kiss Me plate there, $3.99 for this. How much the plate? Oh, that's plastic too, $4.99 for that. The little glasses here. Plastic, $7.99. I like this little bucket here for beverage drink bucket thing for $19.99 there. I love this look right here together. Got a little butter dish here. That is so cute. How much is it? $9.99. That is too cute. They got some really cute stuff. All the different kind of pastas they have right here. What kind of pasta is this here? This is $5.99. Some kind of Italian pasta. Linguine noodles here. $5.99. Even lasagna noodles here. These is cute. Look at those. They're like little butterflies. Little bows or whatever. I'm gonna try one of these. Some of these one day. What is these? These are like the ends of lasagna noodles right there. Have y'all tried any of these pasta? If you have, leave a comment down below and let me know. Saffron risotto. Red wine vinegars and balsamic vinegars and olive oils and sea salts and all of the good stuff. Kitchen here. Got these little drawers here. Probably $12, not $16.99. Alright, y'all, I think that's it for this vlog here. I may not go to another store, but just in case I don't, we're going to go ahead on and end it here. So don't forget to hit that like button. And until the next one, this your girl Tiana. Y'all be blessed. And I am out. But I'm going to show y'all what I am finna get. I'm finna dryer ball thing here. And these sponges. And that's it for this store, y'all. So I ended up finding this basket that I can use for my little dryer sheets and stuff. It was $9.99, but guess what? It was Christmas item. Child, we ain't gotta do nothing but flip that around or take that off, but we're gonna leave it on there. And I got it for $2.50, child. Okay, can't complain about that.